Aiden here from Makeshift Storm. Today, my friend Gavin will not be joining us once again. But today, I have a special review since a couple of my friends have requested to do a loading review on how to load the Stinger p311 airsoft pistol. Now, when I'm done showing you how to load this gun, I will tell you some things that me and my friend have put together, and we'll get to that later. But first, you're gonna need your BBs. So you're gonna unhook your BBs, your cap, take your mag out from the mag release right here, put your gun to the side. See, now I have a container, and I have formed my own speed loader from just removing all the internal parts from a pen. So what I'll show you, if you're gonna make this, I'll show you how to use it with this and without. So first, we'll do it with this. When you get your mag, you're gonna wanna pull down the spring to the bottom on the side. Be careful not to hit this button right here. You're gonna take your BBs, put them right over the top, and pour them in. Fill it to the top. Once it's filled to the top, you're going to take your BBs, pull this cap down, put it over, and slowly let your BBs pour out. Sometimes one will end up falling out, but that's no problem. You can just pick that up later. Now, when you have a fully loaded 12-round clip, you can take it, put it into your gun. Now this gun is not loaded. See? It's on safety. Before I shoot, hammer's not down. Can't pull the trigger back. So now, if I was going to take out the clip, two BBs will fall out. Sorry, I'm on with my friend Patrick on FaceTime. I'm sorry, my bad. See, now we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, now we only have 10 BBs in here because 2 fell out. That is one of the major cons of this gun. So now, to get them all out, going to put your finger over, hit this so that the spring is ejecting. So now to hold that down, all you're going to want to do is unscrew the cap, take this, just let the BBs fall out. So now I will show you how to load it without the pen cap. So of course, you're going to need to pull down your spring, take your BBs, put the cap over, and slowly let them fall in. Now you'll have one extra sometimes. You're just going to take that. Well, I dropped it, and you can put it back into your pen cap. See, now I don't want to put this back into my gun because I don't want to have to go through doing all the steps again. But yes, that is how you load your Stinger p311 Crosman airsoft gun. I will be coming at you with more reviews. I actually happened to find out that you are not able to order or get CO2 airsoft pistols shipped to New Jersey, where I live. And so instead of getting a CO2 pistol from Evike, I just got a full metal airsoft spring pistol. I think it's the G&G G6. But yes, I will be coming with a review. I will be coming at you with a review of that airsoft pistol. Should be here by Friday. Right now it's Wednesday. Just looking at my calendar. But now let's cut to the chase. So me and my friend, I'm not going to say his name. He hasn't given me permission to say his name yet. But me and my friend have put together an airsoft team called the Bravo Squad. Now, don't say name.
You didn't say my name.
I won't, Pat. Don't worry. Okay, but yeah, it's called the Bravo Squad. We are only putting together a two-person team. If you are, there is a tiny chance that we will let you in. But if you were to ask right now if you could be in, I guarantee you I would say no. The only way you could get in is if you're like someone who lives around me, okay? But yes, that is the video on loading your airsoft pistol. your Crosman Stinger p311 airsoft pistol. And yes, me and my friend have put together a team called the Bravo Squad. We will be coming at you hopefully when I get my GoPro. I'll hook that onto my helmet.
Oh, I got a Sony action camera.
Videos, first person view. And yes, that's it for today's video. Makeshift Storm signing out.